Welcome to Easy Resto, provided by Empire Today for Business. Having an easy way to coordinate your flooring replacement projects means everything. Easy Resto gives you an easy way to oversee project statuses at a glance. It's the smart way to manage your flooring projects online without any additional software or applications, and making customers wait weeks for a flooring replacement isn't an option. Empire Today for Business has the tool to make it happen in as soon as 48 hours. Easy Resto. It starts with a simple dashboard. Everything you need is there. All of your flooring work orders, even past projects, invoices, and payments. Need to replace a floor for a customer? That's easy. Even on the go, you can coordinate a flooring replacement. Upload the Xactimate estimate and we'll handle the rest. We bring the flooring store to the customer, and a knowledgeable flooring professional helps them choose a replacement floor based on LKQ matches. Because we stock hundreds of SKUs in local warehouses and have an extensive network of professional installers, we can serve customers with unmatched speed. Easy Resto doesn't end there. It stores invoices so you can track your open balances, and expenses are automatically matched to your orders. So delete the spreadsheets and toss the paper. Easy Resto keeps you a step ahead, so you can return your customers to a pre-loss condition quickly. A new way to manage your flooring replacement is here. Better, faster, simpler. Easy Resto.